Oh crap! What the f? Welcome back to Valley Shenanigans, you guys. My name is Abel. Today we are out here at Pine Flat Lake. We're out here with my brothers, Raul, George. We're out here with my buddy Jelani way out there. He's our guide out here today, so no pressure. We're gonna be fishing this cove here all the way back to Deer Creek. Pretty interesting because I've never fished this lake when it's this slow. I fished this lake when it was like the water level was up there, so that's probably like 50 feet. Fortunately, my buddy's been out here fishing for like probably like an hour or more. He's already on 2 fish on a jig, I think. So let's see what happens, you guys. We are gonna try some new toys today. Got this bad boy here. Let's see what happens. You guys stay tuned. Receiver Jeremy Wade, show us what to do. Guide us in these times of darkness. Using the Shimano. Yeah. There's king salmon in here. King salmon? King salmon. One of those lands with salmon? Bro, they're like 50, 70 feet deep. We're staged. Can we keep a salmon if we get it? Absolutely. Hell yeah. That's not pretty cool. 50 bucks a feet. That's crazy. And you have worms too. First time I've ever catch them. They're like blue. Well, the things we do for these fish. Need a boost. Whew. Whoa. This is kind of crazy here. I guess I'm just walking in there. I guess. Oh, that's the move right there, I guess. Nose hook is undefeated, huh? Ooh, I'm on fish right here. We'll see if we can get one to bite. Look at him, look at him, look at him. Look at him swarm over here now. Look at him come over here. Like we threw bread and ducks are just swarming. Nah, but we have some fish right here, you guys. 30 feet right here, George. I'm gonna drop some live worm. Oh, shit.
That's how he got that worm.
That's how, yeah?
I would have never believed that happened if I didn't see it on you.
Yeah, hey. Impossible! Oh, there's a school right here, bro. 30 feet, there's a school right here. Yeah, it's like fish is being detected.
How deep is it here?
30 feet where I'm at. The fish, there's fish suspended at 15 feet, and then like the bigger fish, bigger markings are like at 25 to 30. They're hugging the bottom pretty much. Feels like a little 7/8 incher. Little, I was like, it felt like a little 7/8 incher. It's a good start. It's a start. It's a start. I'm about to throw that big fish bait right now. Bro. Oh. I didn't see it. Here's one for Raul. Oh, it came off. Came off. There's a good school right here, bro. They're at 30 feet, yeah. It's a pretty good school. That was a good one, George. I fucked up. That was a good one. It was at least a 1 pounder for sure. It wasn't no dink. Well, it was a dink, but at least a keeper, you know?
Carper's not considered a game fish, is it?
Yeah, it is.
It is?
It's not, but it's a threadfin fish.
It's a what?
Threadfin, so you can't really use it as bait.
Really?
Yeah. Missed them. They're small.
Well,
Nah, I think it's bass because that other one I lost was probably like a 1-2 pounder.
oh yeah, I'm going over the rocks right now.
They're all right here. Raul. 30 feet. 34 feet. I just got hit again. Damn. Fucking Raul said that's nothing.
I bet you $10 this kid's gonna go home and smack the fuck.
Bro, I bet you $10 he's gonna sleep in the car.
Oh, I was already planning on doing that. Oh, then $10 that he sleeps in the car. I told George I was already falling asleep over here.
Anybody could do that if they're gonna sleep all the way home.
I mean, yeah.
Anybody could do that.
No, I'm not gonna take a nap when I get home.
Dang, I lost a good one right now, bro.
I saw it. You said that's the soft, bro. What was it on the little
Worm? Robo worm. Those see-through ones?
Yeah, I'm off the switch. Come on, big ass. Big ass zebra lure. This one you get to throw away, dude. Found the other blue lure up there too. Little blue lure. That looks kind of cool. Looks like almost like a shiner.
Ooh, that's a color that
I'll
probably
throw that out right now.
that'd probably work out here. Okay, the school starts right here. So it's like right here in front of my kayak. Look, George. It's like right here, look. Kind of. Down to 27, 30 feet.
Pretty deep there, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, it's deep.
Ah, we're good now. Let me jump in the water for something. No.
Just letting you know. Oh, here we go. Right there, look, George.
Already casted.
I'm saying, like, you know, so you can get an idea where it's at.
Okay, bro, I'm coming home. Real messed up.
Out here catching these fish. What's up, little buddy?
Abel's already two. Pull it out. He's gonna snap his rod. He's gonna snap the rod, he pulls it out. Oh, that's a small ass little one.
Nah, honestly, I might can spot lock, huh? Ooh, wind is picking up out here. Only been catching a couple dinkers so far. We're making our way down to back to Deer Creek. Hopefully we see some big ones out there. Every time I come to this lake, I always see a couple 4 5s out there at Deer Creek. I've seen some bigger ones out there. Biggest spotted bass I've seen are out there at that Deer Creek. So we'll see what happens, you guys. Stay tuned. Hey, you're in 30 feet of water, man. You gotta get back in here and get out. I'm not giving no chance to no followers.
What? What do you mean fish to the boat?
Oh crap! What the fuck?
John, you fish the hell? Why did you jump in the bag though? Nah, I think that's just a...
Dude, that shit hit so hard.
They're just a little small cat.
Get your bass up here. Oh no, my worm. Bro, this guy hit so hard, Jelani. Spotty. This guy hit so hard, dude.
Is he going 12?
I'll see right now. Nah. He's like a 11 and a half. Oh, he's like a hair shy. Whoa, whoa there, buddy. Oh shit. You seen that? All right. Another little guy here. Oh, here we go. Just a little guy. Oh, there he is. Oh, this is gonna be a keeper. Yep. Oh, get your ass up here. Oh, this is gonna be a keeper. I'm getting a whole bunch of dinks. Been catching a whole bunch of dinks. Look at this hook set. This might be the biggest one we've caught today. Keeper? You want to put them on your catch just to double check? You know the catch? Huh? Oh, how are you?
I have this right here to right here is 12.5.
Yeah, it's like 12 and a quarter. Pull my rod.
Throw him in the bowl.
Fuck, he jumps out. That would have been some shit. Ooh, you're... Yeah, here you go. Hell yeah, man. Finally, my first keeper. Yeah, on that clear worm. I got some if you need some. Oh. Something swirled right here. Oh, it's crazy. Ooh, I'm wondering. Ooh, there's a big ass ball of bait right here, bruh. Right underneath me at 21 feet, Jelani. No way. No way. Was that a bite?
No way. No way.
I think I got a. What's going on?
Abel, you're so right.
I told you. He drop shot it right there. That's cool. I told him. Okay, you guys, that's gonna be it for today. It's a pretty interesting day. We caught like, I don't know, like 5, 6, 7 fish. I honestly don't remember. I kind of lost count. But you guys will see them here in the video below. Comment down, what do you guys think? What do you guys usually throw out here when you guys come out to Pine Flat? Comment down below. Today, that holographic robo style worm was really working for us. My boy Jelani kind of gave us some minnows, and that was kind of working for us as well early on. But yeah, you guys, pretty interesting coming out here. We haven't been out here like in over a year. Water level dropped like 50 plus feet. It's kind of interesting. Thanks for watching. It's an orange cream little award, you know, for the here from the I Forgot store.